Horses out, we have Magic E. Pass the begin, moving a party outside. Newsmaker, Gintong Biaya, Rocky May, Speedy Kim, and Sudden Burst. And going along for the first turn, we have Magic E, the leader by about 2 lengths. Gintong Biaya in second. Rocking Macy's racing in third. Alongside, moving up, Newsmaker. Then followed by Sudden Burst and Speedy Kim. They swing into the back. Magic E and Gintong Biaya now fighting it out for the lead. 2.5 lengths, moving up now to take 30s, Rocking Maze, Newsmaker alongside Ford, Sudden Burst and Speedy Kim. Magic E, Danori inside is Gintong Biaya, Rocking Maze now trying to get closer in third, Newsmaker in fourth, Sudden Burst and Speedy Kim. And it's still Gintong Biaya and Magic E fighting it out for the lead. Rocking Maze now coming closer in third, Danori inside is Sudden Burst. As they come down to the last 200, the lead now belongs to Rocking Maze by about a length and a half. Danori inside is Sudden Burst, moving up is Speedy Kimari outside Gintong Biaya, but it's still Rocking Maze by about 4 lengths now, followed by Sudden Burst, moving up is Speedy Kim, and finally Rocking Maze. Second, close finish between Sudden Burst and Speedy Kim. Then comes Gintong Biaya.